If you're shopping for the best budget ANC earbuds in 2025, it's hard to ignore the hype around Beats Solo Buds and Nothing Ear, and today on Digital Dive we're putting them head to head to see which pair really gives you more value for under $100. Starting with the Beats Solo Buds. Apple's latest compact wireless option that's priced super competitively at $79 but surprisingly skips ANC entirely, which is a huge deal if you're planning to use your buds in loud environments like commutes or coffee shops, because even though Beats Solo Buds deliver clear audio and strong bass, typical of the Beats sound profile, they just can't compete in noise isolation compared to the Nothing Ear, which brings active noise cancellation, transparency mode, and customizable sound profiles for just $99. And on top of that, Nothing's transparent design with LED accents gives you that futuristic look, while Beats goes for a more minimal pocketable vibe. And while the build quality on both feels great for the price, the Ear 8 wins in features with wireless charging, in-ear detection, low latency mode for gaming, and stronger app support, especially if you're an Android user, because the Beats Solo Buds don't support the Apple H1 chip or audio sharing features either, which might surprise some iPhone users expecting deep Apple integration. And on the battery side, the Ear 8 gets around 5.5 hours with ANC and 24 hours with the case, while Solo Buds get you 18 hours total but without ANC, so real-world use may vary based on what features you prioritize. And in terms of sound, the Solo Buds push that signature punchy low end with a warm tone that's fun for pop, hip-hop, and casual listening, whereas the Nothing Ear 8 delivers a more balanced soundstage that's better for podcasts, vocals, and acoustic music, though both are pretty customizable through their companion apps. And now let's talk comfort. Beats Solo Buds are ridiculously tiny and fit most ears well with included tips, and their lightweight design makes them ideal for workouts or long wear. But some users might find the deeper insertion style of the Ear 8 more stable for active use, especially with their IP54 water resistance rating. And when it comes to calling and mic quality, the Ear 8 pulls ahead again with clearer voice pickup and better noise reduction, especially outdoors or in windy areas, which makes them a solid pick for remote workers or people taking calls on the go. And while the Solo Buds hold their own in quiet spaces, they just don't match the same clarity. And finally, if you're looking at style, Nothing's design language is bold, tech-forward, and eye-catching, while Beats is sleek, subtle, and comes in a variety of vibrant colors. So ultimately it comes down to what matters more. If you want ANC, wireless charging, more app features, and a modern design for $99, Nothing Ear 8 is the clear winner. But if you want a simple, compact pair of earbuds that just sound good for less money and you're okay without fancy extras, Beats Solo Buds might be perfect for you. And that's our full comparison here on Digital Dive, so let us know in the comments which one you'd pick in 2025. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more honest tech breakdowns every single week.